we are in the Ferrari showroom, and this is a 296 in navy blue, followed by another 296 and the California. We've got some really nice Ferraris in here. 488 as well, that looks beautiful. And I love the colour of this. This looks absolutely beautiful. That is shiny, that is. Wow. Now if we go over here, you can see a Ferrari Roma, I think this is, and another 296, and a nice little car over here. I don't really know what this is, but it looks really nice. A nice car here. Roma, another Roma there. Now if we go all the way over here, we've got really nice models over here. Like these look absolutely beautiful. I love the colour of this one. I'll step back to get my shot off of here. Look at that, Coming over here, we can look in the interior here. Looks beautiful in there. Go around to the back. Lovely. We've got another 296 over here. All very shiny. We're not really allowed in there, so we can enjoy all of these beautiful Ferraris here. Here we have got the Ferrari LaFerrari, one of the Holy Trinity cars. Absolutely beautiful. We have the new Ferrari SUV here, Ferrari with a singing way or something. Looks actually really nice though. Here's the statistics. Engine 6.5 litre V12, 435 grams. Top speed 310 kilometers an hour. It's a pretty decent SUV to be fair. Okay guys, we've got the two Eurosys in fact here, and then one of my favourite ones, the Lamborghini Aventador SV. If we just come around here, look at the carbon fibre wing on that, that looks absolutely amazing. And if we come down here, we've got a beautiful yellow Lamborghini here. And if we walk a bit down here, and it's also the Lamborghini place. Another one here, the LP640, I think. Hurricane. Light blue. Looks absolutely stunning. It is raining outside, but look at that. The Lamborghini light blue looks absolutely. Basically, we have just come into this like super fancy Lamborghini party right now. There's a Starato, the replacement for the Huracan. This place is absolutely awesome. Here's my lunch in a beautiful, nice bowl. And look at the forks, golden forks. I'm gonna dig in now. Okay guys, here we have the new Lamborghini Temerario, which has a V8 and was the replacement for the Huracan. and you can just see the amount of carbon fibre on it. If I just get a low shot for you here, look at that. Okay, there's a lot of light in here, but look at those rear wheels. Looks absolutely beautiful. Right. We are in the Maserati garage here. That's an SUV Maserati. We've got another one there. We've got that beautiful Gran Turismo and this absolutely stunning new Gran Turismo. Looks absolutely beautiful. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love the new Gran Turismo. We've got this nice Maserati which was sold as well. Here we've got a purple Urus and this beautiful Lamborghini Review. There's just an SUV Lotus electric. I don't really care about that. Here's another beautiful light blue Huracan, followed by another orange Huracan. So you've taken over there. Another Urus, Ferrari, Lotus garage. An okay looking Rolls Royce. Okay guys, here we have the new Ferrari 12 cylindry. Well, 12 cylinders. I suppose that's what it is. It is the replacement for the 812 Superfast, and I've got to say, it's not my kind of type of Ferrari. It's got a lot of black bits on it, a lot of black over here, as you can see. Yeah, that's it. 12 cylindry. We've also over here got really nice Ferrari, number 14. Most people have gone home because there was that Lamborghini event. If we just go behind the 12 cylindry, we can see a C63 Mercedes, a 458 RS3 there, an FF, Ferrari Roma, another FF.